Are you ready to dive into a wild alien world full of bizarre creatures and unpredictable chaos? Revenge of the Savage Planet is waiting for you, and today, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it, step by step, so you can get started in no time. But before we jump into that, let's quickly talk about what makes this game so awesome. Revenge of the Savage Planet is an action-packed adventure that combines exploration, humor, and a whole lot of chaos. Set in a strange alien world, it's all about scavenging resources, upgrading your gear, and surviving against all kinds of weird creatures and dangers. The sequel takes everything that was fun about the original and cranks it up, offering a crazier environment, more bizarre tech, and even weirder creatures. Whether you're in it for the colorful visuals, the creative combat, or just the chance to explore a truly bizarre world, this game delivers on every front. Now, let's talk about how you can get the game up and running on your device. There are two easy ways to do it, and I'm going to walk you through both options. First, I'll guide you through the entire download and installation process in this video. Whether you're on PC or console, I'll show you exactly where to grab the game and how to install it. It's simple, just follow along, and you'll be exploring the Savage Planet before you know it. If you'd rather have a written guide or need something for quick reference, there's a detailed step-by-step guide linked in the description below. It covers everything from downloading and installing the game to troubleshooting common issues. Plus, you'll get a direct download link, so no need to waste time searching. We've made it as easy as possible to get you in the game without any frustration. But if you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can to help out. If you're looking for a guide for another game, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help the community out with new tutorials. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you stay up to date on all our latest guides, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy Revenge of the Savage Planet. All the links you need are in the description below, so check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for keeping us company during all 5 episodes of the Author's Expedition Logs. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. Now, all that's left is to buckle up and prepare yourself for a unique sci-fi adventure with the Authors.